already put in 10 shakes of salt to his breakfast.
Now I gotta put water.
Now he's going to put the water into his oatmeal.
Mix it up.
He has to mix it. Getting a spoon.
Did you and I did last night?
What'd you do?
Grandma told me to put the dishwasher on before
Mm-hmm.
I go to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't find the powder soap, so there was liquid soap in there. So I put liquid soap in. When they came home, there was suds all over the place. and your father and your mother were laughing. I couldn't believe it. The whole, yeah, look. They thought we'd dry out by today.
Oh, there's bubbles.
Huh?
The light at the bottom is all bubbles.
You're supposed to use liquid when you in the sink. But I couldn't find the powder, so I figured I'd use the liquid.
He's going to mix his oatmeal.
Hmm?
I'm narrating.
Mix it up. Oh, you take signal pictures with it?
Yeah, well, I'm videotaping right now, but you mix it up.
And how many minutes of moving stuff did you take?
I did take a lot, because you can just download it quickly. It downloads in like a minute.
Mm-hmm.
He gets a third.
You use a third cup of, no, you use 2/3 of water.
Oh, 2/3
and
of water.
1/3 of oatmeal.
And 1/3 of oatmeal. So you have really a cup of food. In case you want to make Poppy's oatmeal at home.
Okay. I like it. It's very thick.
It's good.
Like cement.
Is it your favorite oatmeal?
Huh?
Is it your favorite breakfast?
Well, it's good for me, so, and I like it, so.
Oh, well, that's a bonus right there.
Huh?
That's a bonus.
Oh, yeah. I happen to like it, and it's very healthy.
That's great.
It keeps your cholesterol down.
Oh, that's a good thing.
So, I've been pretty good with my cholesterol. Your father was always, your grandfather was always amazed.
There you have it, the oatmeal.
Hmm?
The oatmeal.
I think the oatmeal was.
Oh, and then you microwave it for how long?
50 seconds. Because I'm putting some, make it mushy. Yeah, I know.
He made his oatmeal.
There's my oatmeal, and I gotta put a little butter in it.
Little butter?
Yeah. Not butter, but margarine.
Oh, margarine. I can't believe it's not butter.
Huh?
I can't believe it's not butter.
Right.
Yep.
Here it is.
Yeah, in that white container.
We buy it in a 5-pound, you see that one?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Want to take a picture of that?
Yeah, hold on. Now you put butter in smaller containers than that.
Yeah, we put it in a So we fill this up as we need it. Look.
He puts a spoonful of butter.
Hmm?
He puts a spoonful of butter in.
Yeah.
And every morning he sits and watches the news in his chair in this corner of the kitchen while he eats his breakfast.
It's my favorite chair in the morning.
Oatmeal, was it really good?
Very good.
That's good. So the news is on?
Hmm?
The news is on in your favorite spot?
The news is on. I'm watching Imus in the morning.
Sounds fun.
You ever watch him?
Not... Well, usually I'm at school by now, so I can't watch him. Poppy. His daddy plays a lot of music, and he likes to play with us, and He is very fun and likes to teach us golf.
About Poppy, that he's always nice and he does whatever he wants to have fun. And he will always play with us and will always do our games, and he's fun to play with.